Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you a new photo printer, and this is the Liene 2x3 Portable Instant Printer. And it comes in a bundle with 100 Zink sticky back photo papers. And it's compatible with iOS and Android via Bluetooth. It's small and portable, so you can print your pictures from your phone anywhere and at any time. Its user's manual comes translated in 6 languages. The Liene Instant Phone Printer uses the technology Zink, that means zero ink, and you get full color photos that are water tear and smudge resistant. The instant printer is equipped with a Type-C port, and one charge allows you to print 30 times. Now I just slide out the cover of the photo printer to add a paper. When you open the package, you are going to see the white paper on top, and at the bottom there is a blue card, and that's for calibration. And you have to place the papers with a blue card facing down. To start printing, you have to download the app Liene Photo on your phone. And when you turn on the device, you will see a white light. And open the app on your phone and start making the connection. And while you are doing that, you will see your device blinking in yellow. That means that it's connecting to your phone. Choose the Portable Photo Printer 9247, then click on Classic Photo Print and get your picture. I'm going to print this cute picture of my niece, and I got it on a screenshot, and you can center it by using the tools in this app, and it's amazing because you can do many things like mirroring the image, or you can make it vertical or horizontal, and you can center it, your picture, in the best way. You can also add filters to your pictures to make them look stunning. In this app, you can also enhance your picture by changing the lights, the shadow, the saturation, contrast, or making your picture sharpen. Your picture is ready, just click on print, and then it will send it to the instant photo printer, and it will take 45 seconds to print your picture. And it's amazing how you can see the process of printing on your phone. The size of the photos are 2x3 inches, and they are sticky back paper, so you can use it for your journals and for your albums or just to make gifts. And when you get this bundle with 100 photo papers, you are saving money than buying the printer and photo paper separately. And the photo is done, and you can even touch the surface, and it looks so smooth. And when you peel in the back, your picture is ready to put on your project. See? So I really love this instant photo printer from Liene. And here I have some more samples to share with you. And for example, you can make a Polaroid like this one, mini Polaroid, so you can write something at the bottom. Then you can make a white border like in this one. And then I printed some more pictures just for you to see how they look, and I like the colors and the quality of the photo papers. And I think that this one can be the best gift for all of us, right? So now if you like this instant photo printer from Liene, the link is going to be in the description box. And as always, thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.